Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Members, this amendment would take a fair and common sense step that was sorely missing last redistricting cycle. It would ensure that the state provides legal and data resources to all House members on an equal basis. Attorneys and other experts employed by state offices and agencies, including the Texas Legislative Council, are supposed to serve all Texans. Their salaries are paid for by all Texans, taxpayers. In the past, however, many of these employees have facilitated the drawing of unconstitutionally discriminatory maps, working directly with only one or two members in complex schemes to dilute the voting power of people of color. There is no provision of law that allows state attorneys or state data and mapping experts to act as private consultant for particular political parties or individual legislators. If an attorney or expert for a state agency or office provides legal counsel to any member of the legislature, they should be required to provide equivalent counsel to any member that requests it. As was revealed in litigation over the 2011 maps, a major component of the unconstitutional racially discriminatory maps was a result of House leadership working directly with state attorneys to dilute the vote. In order to avoid the past legal mistakes of the legislature, it is critical that there is fair and equal access to experts and resources. Furthermore, when the committee redistricted during the special session in 2021, they, unbeknownst to many members of the committee, hired a secret consultant with a previous history of gerrymandering in another state. The Black and Latino members of the committee only learned of this consultant when it was reported by the media. The consultant drew maps behind closed doors and did not invite the Black and Latino members of the committee to participate in the process. Taxpayer dollars should not be spent on the salaries of secret political operatives. Whether at the end of session or in a special session, it will be a quick turnaround. So it is critical and crucial that all members, regardless of ethnicity or political party, have the resources to understand what effects the maps will have both locally and statewide. And with that, I move passage.
The chair recognizes Mr. Hunter in opposition to the amendment.
In respect to my colleague members, this deals with the subject of redistricting and the legal side. I requestfully respect a no vote.
The chair recognizes Mr. Reynolds to close on the amendment.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. At this time, I move for passage.
The question occurs on the adoption of the amendment. A record vote has been requested by Mr. Slayton. A record vote has been granted. The clerk will ring the bell and show Mr. Hunter voting no. Show Ms. Credo voting aye. All members voting. There being 63 ayes and 84 nays, the amendment fails to adopt. Ms. Hinojosa, for what purpose?
I move to have the layout of the last amendment reduced to writing and placed in the journal.
Members, you heard the motion. The objection.